methods to make $1,500 weekly in 2024 and 2025. Freelance online by offering your unique skills, whether in writing, graphic design, or web development, to numerous clients. Start a dropshipping business, capitalizing on trending products without managing inventory, benefiting from minimal startup costs. Engage in tutoring, sharing knowledge in subjects you're passionate about, and connecting with students globally through virtual platforms. Create and sell digital products like ebooks or online courses, generating passive income as demand for online learning grows. Participate in affiliate marketing, promoting products you believe in, and earning commissions for each successful referral or sale. Monetize a blog or YouTube channel, leveraging ad revenue and sponsorships by building a dedicated audience around engaging content. Offer virtual assistant services, helping businesses with administrative